But we have all experienced especially trying moments as well. Those late nights spent studying for that impossible final exam, for example, that caused us to ask ourselves, what is this all even for? And while there's certainly something noble about thinking of our Princeton education as providing knowledge for knowledge's sake, the practical reality is that learning has to have the purpose of advancing us to some next step in our lives. This makes it impossible to ignore the question of how much of our education is actually useful for our long-term goals. This question is not a new one. As early as 8th grade, I remember being convinced that my middle school coursework only existed to determine whether or not I was going to get into college. At Princeton, meanwhile, we've known from the beginning that our hard work is meant to place us in the service of all nations, meaning that it leads to a productive career that benefits society. Given these premises, it can be difficult to see the inherent value